at my potato. As you can see, there's hardly any leaves there left. They're just, especially this part here, completely died back. Some with a few greens. So we are going to see what's inside that pot. Hopefully a dozen of potato would make me happy. Oh boy. Lots of dirt.
Love dirt. Oh, the pretty one.
Oh, look, a nice worm there. You still see all the eggshells. So we use compost that are partially broken down and just let it be after we planted it. Just water it every now and then. Really didn't do any more to it. When you consider the size of the potato, this really is not a bad size right there. No, this is really nice right here. Although there's not much,
Can't complain.
yeah, the size of what we do get are really nice and, you know, decent. Quite some decent size right there. We're gonna have to rinse out all this dirt off of it. So right there, we just rinsed off our potato harvest. That will be our second and final harvest of potatoes. I will give you the shot of the first potato, which I did not video. I did it in a hurry because we were expecting company and I would like to have new potatoes for breakfast. And so that one I'll give you a shot of. And this is the last and final harvest of our potato. And it's not the greatest, but I really can't complain when you consider the size of the potatoes that we have out of this harvest. For the most part, they are very good size, as you can see. Ooh, it's going to rain again. Look at this one. Nice and healthy looking potatoes. So it's not exceptionally plentiful, but look at that. So we got to harvest our potato right before it rained very, very hard. Heavy downpour. And although the quantity is not there, I'm quite satisfied with the quality of the potato that we got. As you can see, nice, good size potato harvest. It's a good one right there. We don't have the quantity, but we definitely got the quality. And I'm satisfied with that. As you can see, my daughter's store-bought potato, which I started sprouting for her. Now I could give it back to her, grown organic. We also went ahead and picked some more of the vegetables that must be picked before it goes bad or get too big to where we can't even eat this. And as you can see, the tip of this okra is broken up because I thought it's so big that it might not be any good. So the way I taste, pardon me, the way I test if the okra is still good for eating is, see this tip here, as you can see, this tip is nice and soft. I don't need to break that off, but some of them I broke completely to make sure that it's still good for eating. So they're nice big size okra. These are Clemson spine, I think that's the name of it, Clemson spineless okra, and a nice good size I got today. Very good okra. And now I can actually say that my cucumber is slowing down. There's some more small cucumbers there, but as you can see, I only got one that is good for eating today or tomorrow. And some more tomatoes, a few jalapeno, and some more bitter melon over there, and some more eggplant. So that's today's harvest.